Good morning, children. Welcome to Nath Home Connect. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Mathematics, Numbers, Expanded Form and Short Form. Expanded Form and Short Form. Day 5. Concept 5. Expanded Form. Expanded Form ante enti? It is sum of the place values of all the digits of that number. అంటే ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు కదా, వాటిలో అన్నిట్ల సమ్ని ప్లస్ చేస్తే వచ్చిన దాన్ని ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ అంటాం. ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1. రైట్ ద ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ 123. 123కి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ ఫామ్ అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? First write the place values. 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Step 1. Find the place values of each digit. Place value of 3 enti? 3 ones place kada? 3 into 1, 3. Place value of 2 is in tens place, so 2 into 10, 20. Place value of 1 is in hundreds place, 1 into 100 is 100. Step 2. Expanded form of 123 is sum of all place values. ఇందాక definition లో ఉంది కదా, sum of all place values. So 100 plus 20 plus 3. The answer is 100 plus 20 plus 3. Therefore, the expanded form of 123 is 100 plus 20 plus 3. Now another example. Write the expanded form of 1864. 1864 ki expanded form. Step 1. First ఏం చేయాలి? Place values రాయాలి. Find the place values of each digit. So place values. 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. Place value of 4. 4 is in ones place kada, 4 into 1 is 4. Place value of 6. 6 is in tens place kada, so 6 into 10 is 60. Place value of 8. 8 is in hundreds place kada, 8 into 100 is 800. Place value of 1. 1 is in thousands place, so 1 into 1000 is 1000. So expanded form of 1864. Expanded form ante sum of all place values. Place values kanukunnam kada, వాటిని అన్నిటిని ప్లస్ చేయాలి. Sum of all place values. 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4. Therefore, the expanded form of 1864 is 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4. Next, another example is there. Write the expanded form of 3 crores 83 lakhs 5125. First దీనికి place values రాసుకోవాలి. Step 1. Find the place values of each digit. Place value of 5. 5 is in units place kada, 5 into 1 is 5. Next, place value of 2. 2 is in tens place kada, 2 into 10 is 20. Place value of 1. 1 is in hundreds place, 1 into 100 is 100. Next, place value of 5. 5 is in thousands place, 5 into 1000 is 5000. Next, Place value of 0. Place value of 0. 0 into 10,000. 0 into any number is 0. Next, place value of 3. 3 into 3 is in lakhs place. 3 into 1 lakh equal to 3 lakhs. Next, place value of 8. 8 is in 10 lakhs place. 8 into 10 lakhs equal to 80 lakhs. Next, 3. 3 is in crores place. Place value of 3 is 3 into 1 crore. That is 3 crores. Step 2. Expanded form of 3 crores 83 lakhs 5125 is sum of all place values. అంటే 3 crores plus 80 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 0 plus 5000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. So ఈ number ki expanded form. Therefore, the expanded form of 3 crores 83 lakhs 5125 is 3 crores plus 80 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 0 plus 5000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Try yourself. Write following numbers in expanded form. So some numbers are given here. So you have to write in expanded form. ఇక్కడ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, మీరు expanded form లో రాయాలి. మీకు తెలుసు కదా ఎలా రాయాలో. If you have any doubt, check the example. Example check చేయండి, మీకు వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? So practice these sums. Okay. So let us see another concept here. Concept 5b is short form. Short form. So short form ante enti? It is digits of that number. So expanded form ela place values to ela separate chestamo danni short ga rasedi, numbers only digits okate rasedi short form. Short form is digits of that number. A number digits ni రాయడమే short form antaru. Short form is also called standard notation. Short form ni standard notation అని కూడా పిలుస్తారు. ఓకేనా? So let us see. So example, write the following in short form or standard notation. So here is the sum 100 plus 20 plus 3 ఇచ్చారు. So ఇక్కడ expanded form లో ఇచ్చారు. We have to write in short form. Short form lo rayali. How to write this? So let us see solution. So given 100 plus 20 plus 3. So first write the place value chart. First write the place value chart. So here ones place. So in ones place 3 is there. In tens place 20. That is tens place 2 is there. In hundreds place 1 into 100 kada. So hundreds place lo 1 undi. That is 123. Therefore, short form of 100 plus 20 plus 3 is 123. Is it clear? So simple ga aithe just add these numbers 100 plus 20 plus 3. So just add this. So the answer is 123. So right side just easy ga chesukochu, but left side unnattu follow avali. Okay na? This is a short form. So let us see another example. Write the following in short form or standard notation. So number is given here in expanded form 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4. Expanded form lo icharu, you have to write in short form. So given 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4. So first we have to write in place value chart. Write the place value chart. So 4 is in ones place, so 60 ante 6 into 10 kada, so 6 is in tens place, and then 8 into 100, 8 is in hundreds place, and then 1 into 1000, that is 1 is in thousands place. So the answer is 1864. Therefore short form of 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4 is 1864. Is it clear? So another example, write the following in short form or standard notation. So here is the sum is there, 7 crores plus 70 lakhs plus 7000 plus 70. Expanded form lo undi, manam we have to write in short form. So let us see solution. Given 7 crores plus 70 lakhs plus 7000 plus 70. First we have to write the place value chart. So here is the place value chart. So here, so ones place is not there here. So in ones place write 0 and then 70 undi kabatti 7 into 10, that is in tens place write 7, and then 100 hundreds place, 100 place lo ఏ నెంబర్ లేదు కనుక సో write in 100 place as 0, and then thousands place, that is 7 into 1000, so write in 1000 place as 7, and then 10,000s place. Is there any number in 10,000s place? No. Then write in 10,000 place 0, and then lakhs place. In lakhs place there is no number in lakhs place. So write lakhs place also 0, and then in 10 lakhs place 7 into 10 lakhs, that is 7. In 10 lakhs place write 7, and then crores place. In crores place 7. Is it clear? 7 crores 70 lakhs 7070. So is it clear? Therefore short form of 7 crores plus 70 lakhs plus 7000 plus 70 is, just write the number 7 crores 70 lakhs 7070. Is it clear children? So place values చూసుకుని దాన్ని బట్టి మనం నెంబర్స్ వేయాలి. ఓకేనా? So simply you have a short method now. Just write 7 crores first, and then 70 lakhs, and then 7000, and then 70, and just add this. So this is the answer. Is it clear? But you have to write in left side form only. Okay. So try yourself. So numbers are given here in expanded form. You have to write in short form. Write following numbers in short form. So numbers ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ, మీరు షార్ట్ ఫామ్ లో రాయాలి. మీకు తెలిసింది కదా, ఫస్ట్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుని ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ చార్ట్ వేసుకుంటే నీట్ గా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో మీకు if you have any doubt, check examples. Okay, so practice these sums children. So this is the concept for expanded form and short form. Have a nice day children. Thank you.